Hi, I am Harshini. Say no to crackers and light a lamp. So let us make the lampshade. I am going to use this paper bag. This paper bag we will get easily at the supermarket while buying groceries. Let's start. We are going to use a paper bag, gum, rice, pair of scissors, pencil. We need to cut this paper bag at the bottom. I am going to use a scale to cut it here. I am going to fold this in the middle. And we'll draw half of the flower. Now I am going to cut it. Cut it carefully. When you open, you will get this design. Now we are going to fold it at the bottom. Now we are going to apply gum at the edge. This will form a pouch. Now we need to put the rice so it will fill the pouch. Put the rice which is spread. Now close the pouch. Now apply the gum here. Close it to form a cylinder. Now it's ready. This lampshade you can keep on the lamp. Can also make with color paper. Happy Deepawali!